Okonomiyaki. Ingredients: 1½ cups, 180 grams, all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. 1 large egg, beaten. 1 1/4 cups, 296 milliliters, whole milk or milk of your choice. 8 ounces, 230 grams, cabbage, thinly sliced. 2 scallions, white and light green parts chopped. Half yellow, green, or red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 4 tablespoons vegetable oil. 8 ounces, 230 grams, boneless chicken, shrimp, crab, or sukiyaki-style beef or pork, cut into 1/2 inch, 12 millimeters, pieces. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons or more store-bought, or homemade, tonkatsu sauce. 1/2 cup, 4 grams, bonito flakes. 1/2 cup, 4 grams, crumbled nori. Directions: whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt in a small bowl. In a medium bowl, whisk the egg and milk. Add the flour mixture and mix until just blended. The batter should be quite thin. Add the chopped vegetables to the batter and mix well. Heat 1 tablespoon of the oil in a medium non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Pour 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, of the batter to make a 6-inch, 15 centimeters, pancake. Cook until medium brown, about 1 minute. Place 1/4 of the meat on top of the pancake and then flip the meat side down. Turn heat to low and cook until the bottom of the pancake is browned, the meat is thoroughly cooked, and the vegetables are tender, about 10 minutes. Repeat until the batter is used up. To serve, brush the pancake with mayonnaise and tonkatsu sauce, or soy sauce. Sprinkle with the bonito flakes and crumbled nori. Eat while piping hot.